John Van Leer, New Zealand, Sotheby's International in the Manawatu, Foxton Beach, in fact, for a lifestyle, a beach lifestyle with a beach culture you are going to love. 944 square metres more or less of section, subdividable, and a restoration like nothing else. A 1950s house that's been brought to life by doing pure quality things. And you'll see as we walk through the home how much you're going to love it. Now this could be your home, this could be your holiday home, this also could be an Airbnb, let's say. But in the end, it's an investment, and now's the time to buy. Let's have a little wander through. You're going to like it. Well, we hope you've loved this property just like we do. An expansive deck with all your friends and family coming to enjoy you, but more importantly, the location's perfect. Estuary walks, take the bike down there, go to the beach and spend some time with family and friends. But right down the road, there's plenty going on. There's supermarkets, there's Foursquare, there's schools. There's 30 minutes to Palmerston North, which is not too far, the vibrant city that it is. And of course, Wellington, an hour and a half down the road, and it's getting closer. So a lifestyle change out of the hectic space that you're in currently. Call Michelle or myself, we'd love to see you soon.